agree with all that your statement. I mean, like, we should give some punishment like a fine or something like fine money in that. Tax or something like that for every single people who throwing garbage everywhere, wherever they want. I mean, and also, I think every single tourism spot needs some like supervisor. They give some supervision about how to keep the tourism spot clean, and also give him some self-awareness to every single people who visit the spot, or something like that. So, I think that's all. I mean, I just agree, and I think fine is something like I see that actually people more motivated to do something better when they need, they have something to pay, like using mask. Everybody doesn't want to wear mask until there's a fine. There is until they need to pay a fine, like that, a month fine. So I think so, like that. That's all.
All right, okay, question.
Same question.
Yeah, please ask him. Ask him.
I have a question, just like his question. How will you answer to a tourist question? For example, tourist asks you why are there so many garbage in this area, and while there are so many Muslims in this area, why are Muslims not representing their religion? Why they don't practice their religion?
Yeah, in your perspective, right?
Yes.
Because I think all the citizens in that neighborhood need some money to do that, need some money to clean that, but they have some kind of a marginalized there, so that's why they don't have some self-awareness to clean everything, every garbage, every single spot.
Got him.
That's actually the best answer. But I don't know how to real answer. I will think that later.
Because every people in Aceh, especially Indonesia, will always think there will be somebody else who clean that. Right?
They hope somebody else will clean that.
Even though flood will clean that.
Or some people say that this is not our duty. This is government duty.
Government's duty. So the government clean that. But the government do their part, right?
Right. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifah. Thank you, Mr. Faisal.